Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today I want to share a tip with you. This tip is something that I share with students at the university quite often because they have learned a habit to say the word very too much. However, if you change this habit, it will help you speak even more fluently. So let's start by listening to this paragraph. Please listen as I share this paragraph that uses the word very often. I went to see a movie last night. It was very good. The movie theater was very cold. The movie I watched was very interesting. The last part of the movie was very exciting. I had a very good time. Now listen again as I tell the story one more time. This time, I'm going to replace the word very with some different words. See if you can hear the difference. I went to see a movie last night. It was incredibly good. The movie theater was super cold. The movie that I watched was truly interesting. The last part of the story was extremely exciting. I had an amazingly good time. So now you heard me tell you the paragraph first time and the second time. But you notice that when I told the story the second time, I replaced the word very with different vocabulary, other adverbs to make the story better. In fact, when you use these adverbs like this, it shows a more highly developed language learner. Now, let's take some more time and look at some of these vocabulary words to help increase your fluency. Incredibly, incredibly. Truly, truly. Super, super. Amazingly, amazingly. Extremely, extremely. Unbelievably, unbelievably. Surprisingly, surprisingly. Absolutely, absolutely. So in today's lesson, I shared some alternative words to use in the place of very. Really good English speakers don't overuse the word very. I really hope it was helpful for you, and I hope starting today you will make a new habit to replace the word very with much better adverbs. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful for you, would you click the like button? Also, would you subscribe to this channel? I'd really appreciate it. If this is the first time for us to meet, then whenever you subscribe, then you'll get notifications whenever I make new videos. So let's keep working hard and improving our English. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to check out these other videos that I prepared to help with your English studies.